So today we are going to take a look at the iPhone 5s in 2024 and see how it holds up in today's fast-paced tech world. And as always, feel free to leave a comment down below with your thoughts on the iPhone 5s in today's tech landscape. Let's start by talking about the design. The iPhone 5s with its sleek aluminum body and compact size still looks great even after more than 10 years. It's a timeless design that has aged well. Now when it comes to performance, the iPhone 5s is definitely showing its age. With its A7 chip and 1 GB of RAM, it struggles to keep up with demanding apps and multitasking. However, for light tasks like messaging, calling, and basic web browsing, it still gets the job done. The camera on the iPhone 5s is not decent compared to phones like Google Pixel 2 or Samsung Galaxy S8. And one of the problems I've noticed with the camera is that there is a hole in the back where dust enters in the back camera, which affects the quality of the photos as you can see here. But these photos were taken some years back when there wasn't any dust in the rear camera. As you can see, they are pretty decent. So if you are trying to use this phone for social media and personal use, then I would strongly recommend something like Samsung Galaxy S10 or Google Pixel 4 because this phone have most of the fancy features that modern smartphones have. When it comes to software, the iPhone 5 is no longer supported by the latest iOS updates. This means that it may not be as secure or compatible with some newer apps and features. However, it still runs on iOS 12 and can handle most day-to-day tasks like web browsing, watching YouTube videos, but you can't install apps like Twitter, Instagram, Adobe Lightroom, and many more. But before you move on, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more tech contents like this. In conclusion, the iPhone 5s may not be the most powerful or up-to-date smartphone in 2024, but still it has its charms and usability for those who prefer a smaller, more compact device. Its design has stood the test of time and it can still handle basic tasks with ease. If you are looking for a budget-friendly and reliable backup phone, the iPhone 5s may still be worth considering. But if you are interested in this phone, there is a link in the description box below where you can get it at the most affordable price or any other phone that have been mentioned in this video. And at the same time, you will be supporting my channel. But if you are buying this phone for like multitasking, video editing or creating content, then I won't recommend it to you because of its version, camera and also battery life because it can only last for 2 to 4 hours when browsing or watching videos. So while the phone is still showing its age, there are some things that are still worth on the iPhone 5s, like if you'll be using it for calling or messaging or even basic web browsing. And that's all for this review. Hope you have enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next video.